He's like, can you please turn that freaking light off? Is that good, buddy? He took for a bite at it.
Gimme, that's enough.
You're actually trying to take it from him. He's got a grip on it. Time to give it up, Gam.
He's got a good grip on it.
Jeez, dude.
Now I want to hand it back to him.
Don't hand it back to him. It's teasing him. That's enough.